best day ever. Dragonboat racing! Safety first!
What am I doing? What am I doing?
Can y'all row to that? I'm totally helping. I'm helping. Oh.
Hey!
Yo ho ho! A bottle of rum, Davy Jones locker, a vest to me mateys! That's all the pirate stuff I know.
But my search will always end. I used to search all night. But my search will always.
Out.
I guess seems like it's slammed dunk.
Dragons! Oh.
Yes. Is this for real now?
Up, down, dragons! And jazz hands.
Okay, jazz hands.
I was out of know. You said I would do.
It's midnight,
Means we're staying up late.
and it means we need some ninja. You ready to master your day?
Master your day.
Yeah.
Cheers. Look how long this line is.
Woo, let's have a great time tonight.
Look how long the line is.
Yeah, let's look, let's look. Oh my gosh, thank you to Midwest Dragonboat Racing, Haynie's Corner Arts District, Sky Zone Evansville, Sculpt TV, Bazooka 2 Tattoo, and Franklin Street Events Association. You guys, we had the best day ever, and you can too by subscribing to us on YouTube and bookmarking our community calendar at thebestdayeverevansville.com.
Gretchin's accessories provided by Silent Salvation. This episode features music from Bosco, France. Promotional consideration provided by Liquid Ninja. Boom.